Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Himachal. Welcome back to Vanpath. How you all are doing? I hope your preparation is going well as very few days are left. So buckle up and study as much as you can. Uh, let's start with the session. Today's session is on environment. But before moving ahead, there is an announcement for you. As your exam is approaching, your strategy should be of solving questions now. So for this purpose, Learning Himachal is providing you with FLTs, and along with this, all the candidates who have cleared prelims can reach out to us for mains mentorship program. Let's begin with the session. Question number one. Which of the following are included under the Montreal Protocol and its amendments? Hydrofluorocarbons, chlorofluorocarbons, hydrofluorocarbons, and carbon dioxide. It is HFCs, everybody knows. CFCs, we know. And again, HFCs भी included हैं इसमें. तो आपका सही आंसर बन जाता है ऑप्शन 1, 2 and 3. Carbon dioxide is not included in Montreal Protocol. ठीक है? Let's see the explanation. Montreal Protocol 1987 originally targeted CFCs and later included HCFCs, halones, HFCs via Kigali Amendment 2016, and CO2 is not covered in it. Let's move ahead. Question number 2. In India, the term eco-sensitive zones refers to legally protected area notified under the Constitution, buffer zones around protected area to regulate human activities, forest reserved for tribal use only, environmentally fragile zones declared by UN agencies. Eco-sensitive zones are the buffer zones around the protected area to regulate human activities. ESZs are notified under Environmental Protection Act 1986 as buffer areas, usually 1 to 10 kilometers around the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, to regulate but not completely prohibit the activities. ठीक है? Question number 3. Which of the following are the example of keystone species in Indian ecosystem? Tiger in a forest ecosystem, elephant in tropical forest, starfish in intertidal ecosystem, termites in grasslands. Correct answer here is all of them are keystone species. कैसे? Keystone species have a disproportionately large role in maintaining ecosystem balance. All given are keystone in their ecosystem. Question number 4. The term Mission Life, launched by India at COP26, focuses on promoting electric vehicle adoption, lifestyle changes for sustainable development, large-scale afforestation drives, improving energy efficiency in industries. तो मिशन लाइफ का फोकस जो है दैट इज ऑन लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस फॉर सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट है. ठीक है? Mission life is equal to lifestyle for environment. It promotes sustainable lifestyle choices like water and energy conservation, reducing plastic, mindful consumptions. ठीक है? Let's move ahead. Question number 5. Consider the following pairs of conventions and their focus. Ramsar Convention, Wetlands, Bonn Convention, Migratory Species, Basel Convention, Transboundary Movement of Hazardous Waste, Stockholm Convention, Climate Change. Which pairs are correctly matched? Ramsar is for wetland, everybody knows it. ठीक है? आपका Bonn Convention is for migratory species. Basel Convention transboundary movement hazardous waste के लिए है. Stockholm Convention is for climate change. ठीक है? आपका यहाँ पे सही आंसर है सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1, 2 and 3. Why so? Because आपका Stockholm Convention जो है that is for persistent organic pollutants, not climate change. ठीक है? Question number 6. Which of the following animals are listed as critically endangered in the IUCN Red List? Great Indian Bustard, Himalayan Brown Bear, Malabar Civet, Booty Sapphire, Tarantula. Correct answer here is your option B, 1, 3 and 4 only. Himalayan brown bear is not in the critical endangered list. Great Indian Bustard critically endangered है, Malabar civet critically endangered है, Booty sapphire tarantula critically endangered है, but आपका Himalayan brown bear जो है, that is least concern. Question number 7. The term net zero emissions, often seen in climate discussion, refers to no emission of carbon dioxide at all, balancing greenhouse gas emission with removal or offsetting measures, reduction of fossil fuels consumption to zero, achieving carbon neutrality only in the energy sector. It is balancing greenhouse gas emission with removal or offsetting measures. Net zero means balancing emissions produced with equivalent absorption, forest, carbon capture, renewables. It does not mean zero emissions. Question number 8. In context of mangrove ecosystem, consider the following. They act as carbon sinks, blue carbon. They provide natural protection against cyclones and storm surges. Sundarban is the largest contiguous mangrove forest in the world. Which of the above statements are correct? All three of them are correct. आपका सही आंसर बन जाता है ऑप्शन डी 1, 2 and 3. Mangroves store large amount of blue carbon, buffer coast against extreme weather, and Sundarbans, India, Bangladesh, is indeed the world's largest mangrove system. Second last question for the day. The Chipko movement is best described as a struggle of farmers against chemical fertilizer, a movement to prevent felling of trees through community action, a campaign for wildlife conservation in central India, a protest against large dam in Narmada Valley. So everybody knows it that a movement to prevent felling of trees through community action is the Chipko movement. It started in 1970 in Uttarakhand. Villagers, especially women, hugged trees to prevent their cutting. Landmark grassroots forest conservation movement it was. Last question, question number 10. The term payment for ecosystem services refers to a financial compensation given to farmers for crop loss due to natural disaster, a market-based mechanism where beneficiaries pay providers for maintaining ecosystem services, a UN initiative to reduce ozone depletion, a WTO subsidy for biodiversity conservation. Correct answer here is it is a market-based mechanism where beneficiaries pay providers for maintaining ecosystem services. It is a market-based approach where people benefiting from ecosystem services, that is clean water, carbon sequestration, pay those who manage the ecosystem, that is forest dwellers, communities to continue sustainable practices. So that's it for today. For more updates, you can follow us, and if you want to join our courses, you can contact our team. Thank you and have a nice day.